What's up today? I'm going to take y'all through the process of how I converted a 32-inch seam pant, 32-inch seam jean into a 30-inch seam. I wear 30. I used to wear 32 back in 2000, but that's what we did. Why? I don't know. Anyway, look, so this is really a continuation of the previous videos I made with how to use a sewing machine. This the bobbin I wound on the previous video. And typically you want a thread that's gonna match with the current thread, but it's a brown. It's only gonna think ain't nobody even gonna see it. And I didn't have gold thread laying around the house. Well, I do, but never mind. So right here, I'm actually threading the needle on this video. Now I ain't got no tips or tricks with how I thread the needle. I just thread it. And there's also a little slit right there behind, right in front of the needle you're supposed to put it in. I had to turn my machine off because I don't want to, I don't want to injure myself. That needle go through my finger, I need my finger. I need that. So anyway, I got the thread in through the eye of the needle, and I pull my thread underneath the slit in the presser foot and run it through the back of the machine. Now what I do next is turn my machine on. Now I'm a thread it. I need to thread my bobbin. I need to see a piece of my bobbin thread come up through the top. And once I do that, I'm gonna pull that thread to the back of the machine. See that? There you go. Now this one got jumbled up for some reason. But anyway, I just cut it off and I didn't have any problems after that. All right, so here's the jeans I'm gonna do. I needed to take 2 inches off, so I already measured it. It's like 2 1/4, and I had to accommodate for the part that's already sewn in on the original hem. So all I did was fold it. And what you want to do is you want to line up these two lines, the seams, so it could be straight. If not, it's going to be off a little bit, which, it ain't no big deal. The only person probably going to know is you who really looking at your jeans. Man. Maybe somebody is anyway. So next, I got my tension, which is usually 4, 5, 6, and I got to select the proper stitch pattern. I'm using I think I used the 8. A 7 or 8, just one of the straight patterns, and it worked out perfectly fine. That's my tension. I usually either use 4, 5, or 6. Typically, I keep it on 5. So I remove the accessory panel from the sewing machine. Line this up. You get to work. Now, the good thing about this is all I had to do was just follow the existing hem on it. Press the foot up, I had to move it a little bit over because I wanted it closer to the original hem. Like I said, this process, once you do this, man, I think this took me 2 minutes maybe. After I measured, I still can't find my tape measure, my cloth tape measure. I don't know where that thing is at. I don't know if somebody took it. It's in here somewhere. I'm gonna find it. Anyway, yeah, so just let the machine do the work. Sewing ain't hard. You know how I know it's not hard? Because I could do it. Now, one thing I didn't do at the beginning that I should have done, I didn't make a back stitch. But as you see, as I near the completion of this pant leg, I just back stitched it. Once I got to that, I went over it, then I back stitched it. And all that excess thread I got right there, that's the thread I originally pulled to the back of the machine. All I'm gonna do is just cut that off. Look at that. Flip it inside out, y'all can see the finished product. Cut that on the side. Get out of there. Flip it in. Look at that. Magic. Can't tell. Can you tell? Can you tell? You can't tell. I'm gonna put the other one next to it and tell me, can you tell? Just cut some of this excess thread off. Now here I go with the I'm gonna put the one leg I didn't do with the one I did do. It's my before and after. Look at that. That's what we want. That's what we want right there. That's what we want. Don't get no better than that. I ain't look at that. Ooh. Leave a comment and let me know what type of project y'all would like to see me do next.